So show us 3 sets today, is it?
Yeah, 3 sets of 18 inches rim 4x4 design suitable for your car. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm fixing a set of 18 inches rim and tires for this very popular EV car, iCAUR 03. Okay, this car is a mini Defender. So let me share you some tips about changing rim and tires for this car. And I'm going to show you so many nice rims which I think will look so good for this iCAUR 03. Since the original stock rim is 18 inches, if you want to change rim, you actually can go for rim diameter from 17 inches all the way to 20 inches. And as a general of thumb, choose rim width between 8 to 9 inches, or say between positive 40 to positive 20.
So show us 3 sets today, is it?
Yeah, 3 sets of 18 inches rim 4x4 design suitable for your car. So this is one of the design that came in. You guys can have a look. Very nice. I try to bring more for you guys. Come. So this is another set which is very nice.
Oh, this looks exactly like those Hummer rims.
Yes, correct. And then I think another set we are fitting right now. Then we can show you. Okay, so this is the rim that I'm fixing today. Okay. So it's very nice, very 4x4 design. Okay, the thing about, another thing is about the tires. The customers request for a very big tires. So unfortunately, this car, the maximum we can go is only 235/6018 tires. So the customer did ask for 265/6018, which is very big tires. These are like the Hilux tires. Unfortunately, even though the car is been jacked up by 2 inches, so means this car actually is more higher compared to the normal iCAUR 03. It's higher by 2 inches. Still, it is not enough to clear the 265. So this car, maximum we can go is only 235/6018. And the best thing is that we can get 80 4x4 tires. So these tires are more than enough for you use. Unless your car got like 400 Newton torque, then maybe you need a higher performance tires. But this car, again, this car is only 290 Newton meter torque. So these tires for you are good enough to support the car activities. Again, when you talk about the iCAUR 03, most people want this because of the off-road look. So we are giving something that is look very nice for the car. So the first thing I noticed after I changed the tires, okay, because right now we are going for 83, so tires, but straight away I can see here the sound. So for you guys who really want to go for this kind of move, I mean changing, having a more 4x4 looks, you just have to bear with the sound. The 80 tires will be slightly more noisier compared to the highway tires. So this is the fact. You guys really, if you guys want to do this mob, really have to consider. So as I mentioned just now, this rim spec 18x8.5 offset is positive 20. So this rim sit almost 1 inches out compared to the fender. So it's very out compared to the original stock rim. So bring out the rim and tires, combine with these tires, 235/6018 Toyo 83 tires. Make it more muscular, make it so much more aggressive. I can foresee a lot of people want to buy this car. Yeah, so 100,000+. So definitely we'll have a lot more option for this car in the future. So we are talking about maybe 18, 19 and 20 inches. So stay tuned, you guys.